All right. My bias on gold is obviously bullish, right? The trade I took, what trade did I take last week? Oh, yeah. Damn. That was irritating. Wednesday, Thursday, because I closed Friday right before it shot because it was Friday. But I did take the buy after this on Thursday. So, I mean, that's cool. But let's talk about this coming week. So I did 4% last week. That was great. Now to continue on, bro. I mean, look at EU, yo. Bullish. This is the start of something cute and bullish. But you know what's crazy? On the weekly time frame, I saw this weekly close. I was like, there's definitely a chance we can continue bearish. So I was like, all right, I have a bearish bias, right? But see, I'm so glad I don't trade on Mondays anymore, because Mondays will really set the direction sometimes for the rest of the week. I'm going to buy tomorrow, and I also plan on buying on GU. And I'm like, side yeah, because okay, so you see how we broke this level right here, boom, boom, super bullish, right? If price was still bearish, we would have continued maintaining lower highs. But we already had that violated, and right now higher lows are just being supported, right? So initially we made the support right here, rejected, came down. What is the next candle? A bullish candle. This was bearish, but it's still not bearish, so technically still bullish. So yeah, I'm gonna have to go with buys. Oh, and here's what supports it. On the daily, y'all know I've been looking at the way this this happened right here, this moment. That was the beginning of the violation of structure, because if we were still bullish, we would have been broke past here. We should have at least broke here if we were bullish. And what did it do? Nothing but maintain and continue to reject. This candle forms. So Friday, I was like, oh yeah, definitely buying. But it's the the momentum happened today. It's gonna happen throughout the rest of the week. That's my opinion. But yeah, and then like even the way we close on the weekly, it's like one of those things where the way I trade is like we made fresh support, right? So of course I want to have a bullish bias, because there's a high chance that the following candle can be bullish. But if I look at the smaller, not even the smaller time frames, because this is the daily, it's still really nice and I don't know. If I look at the daily, I gotta obey. I'm not gonna just ignore. So yeah, my bias is, I'm gonna assume we can make that. For UCAD, I think I had really good buys last week too. Oh, everything. Yes, beautiful. 1 to 3. Took it at 8:41. Don't really feel like getting some details. You can look at it yourself. Just wait for a 30-minute or 1 hour candle close bullish, and then right. So that was Tuesday. So I entered it on Wednesday. Yeah. And I think I entered. Oh, I did enter based off of the 15-minute. I remember this was such a beautiful trade. 15-minute close like this. I saw this candle come here, and then as it started going bullish, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and take this buy. I'm gonna take this buy because I like everything about it. I liked how the 4-hour maintained, higher lows. It was completely bullish, So, and now let's see what's going on with AU. She doing her thing. I'm not trading until I see something I like, and I'm probably not gonna see anything trade worthy on AU just because it's so bearish. But at the same time, I know the US dollar has a lot of, or is starting to go bearish-ish. And UJ, I haven't traded because she's being weird. And GJ, I still haven't traded because you're consolidating, and I don't understand what's going on. But what I really like about the monthly time frames is like we close in 1 day on the monthly time frame. See, this is what I was saying, bro. That's what I was saying. On the monthly time frame, higher lows are maintaining currently, meaning there's a higher chance that we can close bullish. And if we do, the following monthly candle will be more than likely be extremely bullish. And that's what it looks like is happening here. Let's see. Same with GU. Yeah, I can close because the support would be right here. And the funny thing is, even this candle would have to close nice, strong, and bearish tomorrow in order for us to have broken this support. The chances of that happening right now with the daily as bullish as it looks, I don't think so, you know? So yeah, UCAD is still very, very bullish, you know what I mean? But I'm not trading her until I see something I like maybe the same thing I always look for. Daily candle close before buying following day. So I don't know, September, or whenever the last beginning of the month was rough. I think it was the beginning of October, that first week. And I'm assuming it was because NFP was on Friday and price just kept consolidating or doing weird stuff. But there's always a reason, right? You know, it's on me, but yeah, we'll see how this week goes. Happy trading. Don't blow your account or else.